This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः अधिक अश्विन शुद्ध दशमी दिनांक 26 सितंबर 2020 सहस्र योगम गंधक रसायन शंखं चक्रं जलौकां दधतमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिनं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिन्दं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढधावाग्निनीलम् ब्रह्मणो समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टा ज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेच्छत् सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। गन्धकरसायनं षट्फलं गन्धकं चूर्णं त्रिफलं चित्रतण्डनं शुण्ठी मरीच वैदेही षण्निष्कं तु पृथक् पृथक् त्रिसुगन्धिवरारास्ना बाकुचि भृङ्गराजः चतुर्निष्कं च प्रत्येकं लोहभस्मं तथैव समं तथा लोहभस्म समं तथा तत्सर्वं चूर्णितं कृत्वा घृते मधुगुणान्वितम् अक्षप्रामाणं तद्भुक्त्वा लवणाम्लादिवर्जे चूर्णितं कृत्वा घृते मधुगुणान्वितम्. So madhu, ghruta and guda, these are to be added. Shirayuktashanam patyam seved ekamandalam. दीर्घायुश्च बली चैव दिव्यदृष्टिर्भवेन्नरा दिव्यदेही च योगी च स्थिरता च प्रजायते कुष्ठमदा अष्टादशं हन्ति गुल्मं च विदन्तथा अर्षांसि पाण्डुरोगांश्च गन्धकादिरसायनं तर्हि एतद् रसायनं कर्तुं सुलभम् एवञ्च प्रयोक्तुमपि सुलभं कदाचित् भवेत् फलश्रुतिः महत्त्वपूर्णा प्रतिभाति एवञ्च बहुषु स्थलेषु अस्य प्रयोगः कर्तुं शक्यते इति प्राथम्येन मे मतम्. Add ghruta, madhu and guda to the above drugs and administer internally in a dose of 1 aksha. Milk diet should be given. So दीर्घायुर्दायक जरानाशक दृष्टि वर्धक, actually दिव्य दृष्टि is not दृष्टि वर्धक. दिव्य देह स्थिरत्व 18 types of kushta, 5 types of gulma, arshas, pandu. So anyway, this is a good preparation and I said it won't require much time as compared to this Gandhakarasayana that we regularly have. Badana Kameshwari Leya Chaturjataka Rasayana Chaturjataka Chora Chandana Jala Draksha Tuka Renuka Kasturi Tagarendu Kunkuma Jata Pushtava Gandhapdakam काकोली सुरदारु चित्रकवचा भोजीरकौ सैंधवं भांगी गोक्षर देवपुष्प मुसली यष्टि बलाफेनकं रंभाकंद फलत्रयं कृत्रिकटकं जातिफलं वालकं तालीसं कटुकी फलं गजकणाम आशामृता शर्करा गुप्ता भूंग विदारिका मदनजं बीजं च कुंभ्युद्भवम् शाल्मल्यङ्घ्रि पुनर्नवा पुरुषतावर्योऽप्यथोदीप्यकम् पादांशं मृदुमभ्रकं च विजयातुल्यौषधानां समम् सर्वेषां सदृशी सीता च मधुना चाज्येन सम्पेषिता जाति चम्पककेतकादिकुसुमैः संवेतसं वासितं वर्षार्धं निशि देहसिद्धिदः महाकामेश्वरः कामदः पुंसां शिखरविवृद्धिदार्ढ्यकरणं क्षीरानुपानोहितः शाल्मल्यङ्घ्रिजलानुपानमथवाप्यन्नं च यच्छुक्रदम् प्रौढानां सुदृशां सुखादिसुखदो वश्यावहो द्रावकः सङ्गे भङ्गुरकामकौतुकरसक्रीडाकलासम्मतः सम्भोगे स्थविरान्नियोक्ष्यति यथा यूना स्मरो दर्पते. So we'll go through the contents. Pusam Shukra Vivruddhi Darde Karanam. So Shukra Vivruddhi and Drodhata of Shukra. Kshiranupano Hitaha. This is to be taken at night. Karshardham Nishi. So Ardha Karsha is the matra. Deha Siddhidaha. So this is Deha Siddhida. Shalmal Jalanupanam Athava Api Anyachayat Shukradam. Shalmali. So चतुर्थांश शाल्मली जलानुपान शाल्मली अंग्री जलानुपानम अथवा अपि अन्यच्च यत् शुक्रदम्, whatever is अन्यत् शुक्रद. So शाल्मली is शुक्रद. This is again it has a pictorial property, particularly शाल्मली निर्यासम् प्रौढानां सुदृशां सुखादि सुखदो वश्यावहो द्रावकः. Bit difficult to make sense. So those who are Sudrusha Praudha or Ramaniya, Sukhadi Sukhado, he gives Sukhadi pleasure. It should be one word, Sukhadi Sukhado. Vashyavaho Dravakaha. Vashyava is also very strange shabda. Dravakaha is liquefaction and maybe more Shukra will be coming. Sange Abhangura Kama Kautuka Rasa Krida Kala Sammataha. In case of this sexual pleasure, Abhangura Kama Kautuka Rasa Krida Kala Sammataha. Abhangura is not very easily broken. Kama Kautuka Rasa Krida. Kala Sammataha. So Krida and Kala, these both the things are possible, which are not breaking or something like that. Tambhoge Sthaviran Yokshati. So even old age people, they can have Pratikrida. Yatha Yuna Smaro Darpate. This is again clumsy. Yatha Yunam Smaro Darpate. That's what Vedanta. In youngish people, the Kama is having Abhiman like that. The even old age people will get pleasure of that. Nityananda Nidanamadi Purushe Rapyahita Swadanaha. Nityananda Nidanamadi Purushehi Apyahita Swadanaha. the Adipurushe api ahita aswadanaha. So very old generation people have also taken the experience of this. But still Nityananda Nidanam, that might be Nityananda Nidhanam, not Nidanam. So this is a continuous srot of Ananda or Ananda Satha or something like that. वाचाम सिद्धिकर प्रसिद्ध कविता संदर्भ संपादना. So वाक सिद्धिकर प्रसिद्ध कविता संदर्भ संपादना. Very clumsy. So it brings you प्रसिद्ध कविता संदर्भ, something like that, संपादना, some apada. So you get name and fame due to prasiddha kavita. So might be this is creating pratibha or something like that. Saukhya Rogya Vishesha Yuvana Kala Samajya Sampadaka. Saukhya Arogya Vishesha Yavana Kala. Samajya Sampadaka. Not really able to make meaning of this. Saukhya Arogya Vishesha. Vishesha might be Saukhya with associated with Saukhya Arogya. Yavana Kala. Either it might be Samrajya Sampadaka. Samajya has no meaning. Yavana Kala Samrajya Sampadaka, that might be the part. You have Yavana Kala Samrajya. Vruddhatvam harate balancha kurate mrityum nirasyatyalam. So it deprives of you your old age, balancha kurate mrityum nirasyati. It avoids mrityu. व्याधिव्रातमपाकरोत् कुरुते कान्तिञ्च मर्त्यार्जवम्. व्याधिव्रात. We have to see the meaning of vrata, that vyadhirupi vrata. That it clears of kantim, martyarjavam. Kanti and martyarjavam. So arjava is vinanti or something done by a person who is going to die or who is live. योगाभ्यास विधाव अतीव सुखदाम सिद्धिं विधत्तेतराम. So in योगाभ्यास अतीव सुखदा सिद्धि विधेतराम. It creates sukhada siddhi like that. Ahvas samvati samvritim kalayate trinam apatya pradaha. So ahvas. Either ahvaha or ahvas. Heard this word for the same first time. Samvatim There is no anuswar also. Samhati, samhrutim. Samhruti will be gathering together or something like that. Trinam apatya pradaha. And creates apatya in Stri. Roganam nichayak shayan shapayate kshipram maharuk ganam. So a heap of diseases, it immediately conquers Kshipram Maharuk Ganam, and immediately Maharuk Gana. Vyahanti Shvasanam Shayam Shamayati Chindam Vikasodayam Durnamani Hatat Chinnati Sarate Sarvati Sarodvanam. So Shvasa Kshaya Kasa Durnama, that is Arsha Sarvati Sarodvanam. Mehaughancha Runadhi Shonitagadam Vidvamsate Sevana. Mehauga, so might be Prameha, Shonitagatam, and Rakta Dosha. Diseases caused by Rakta. Vidvamsate Sevana. So this it destroys by Sevana. Prasiddha Ase Rupase, Ahmas Pap. Agha is Pap. Ahmas I have not heard really. We need to have clear Sanskrit text. There are so many misprints over here. So very difficult to understand what word it might be. And then only we will be able to make proper sense of it. My general opinion about this, the Karelian people have not given much importance to the original Sanskrit. This is in practice in a traditional way, and no doubt the medicines are made available and they are in use, but this should be corrected. The whole Sanskrit should be corrected, and proper meaning has to be done. चतुर्जातक कचोर चंदन जल दीवेर द्राक्षा तुगा वंशलोचन रेणुका कस्तूरी तगर इंदु कर्पूर कुंकुम जटा जटामांसी कुष्ठ अश्वगंधा अब्द मुस्ता काकोली सुरदारु चित्रक वचा द्वेजीरक सैंधव भांगी गोक्षुर देवपुष्पा मुशली यष्टि बला फेनक समुद्रफेन रंभा कंद फलत्रय त्रिकटुक जाति फल जाय जापत्री तालीस कटुकी फल कंकोड़ गजकणा गजपिप्पली हस्तिपिप्पली माश अमृता गुड़ुची शर्करा गुप्ता भुंग विदारिका मदनाजनुबीजम दत्तुरम कौम्भ्यु कौम्भ्युद्य कौम्भ्युदुद्भवम नगदंती बीज शाल्मल्य पुनर्नवा अगरु शतावरी द्विपात्य अजमोदा. One part each. Abraka Bhasma, Vijayabhanga, Sharkara equal to all above. There is Sharkara in between also, and then again at the end also. Prepare lay with the above drugs taken in specified quantity. Add madhu and then keep it in a heap of jati, champaka, ketaki flowers to obtain fragrance. It should be administered internally in a dose of half karsha at bedtime with milk or shalmali moola kashaya or any other shukrala dravya. Vajikara shukrala rasayana sukha Kshaya Shwasa Kasa Arshas Atisar. So the translation is very inadequate. It doesn't reflect the whole meaning that is explained in the Sanskrit. And unless and until we have Shuddha part, it is very difficult to know. If there are pathas available in Malayalam, that might be helpful in this scenario. Anyway, this is basically Shukravardhaka or Vajjikarana, and useful for young and even old age people, etc. And even for ladies, this is also fine. So there has been controversy. I don't think this should be available. So somebody let me know if this is available in the market. Now, the basic thing is when to use Rasayana and when to use Vajikaran. This is a basic issue as such. We have been using Rasayana in many cases. So, particularly for Prashasta Dhatu Nirmana, Rasayana is good. That is one thing. Yajjara Vyadhinashanam. Rasayana Tatat name Yajjara Vyadhinashanam. So, one which destroys old age and diseases, that is also Rasayana. So we can use it in Swastha, we can use Rasayana in Atura as well, or patients suffering from varieties of diseases. But particularly when to use for Vajjikarana, this is another important aspect. So in 1981 or so, 81 or 82, there was one seminar on Vajjikarana in Pune, held by PH Kulkarni group. So I attended that seminar. At that time, the seminars were just gathering together, having fun and lunch, dinner. That's all. That's only used to be the benefit, so to say, of that seminar. There was no content at all in anybody's lectures. That was the scenario. Unfortunately, Dr. R.D. Lele was invited for valedictory function. I heard him for the first time, and this was valedictory. So in the end, he spoke, and nobody was going to speak after him. Now, Vajikarana, the main purpose is Apatyasantanakam is Satyasamprahasham. There are two objectives of Vajikarana. Apatyasantanakara. So, to treat infertility in male or female. This is one important aspect of Vajikarana. And Sadhyasampraharshanam, to give the pleasure of sex. That is another important aspect of Vajikarana. Now in Vajikarana seminar, these two have to be emphasized. Absolutely, there was nothing. And whether application, Vajikarana application is only for males or not, this again still remains a question. Whether women require Vajikarana or not for sex drive as such. There are apatyakara yogas for male and female, both different yogas. But as regards sex drive, there is no much mention about ladies as such, whether they require it, what are the medicines to be used, etc. etc. Secondly, is this the only thing that Vajikarana produces? Because swastasya orjaskarayantu tadvrsham tadrasayana. Whatever increases the ojas, that is vrusha and rasayana or something like that. From this point of view, it is not being seen that it increases the ojas, urja of a person. And considering the fact that with loss of Shukra Dhatu, there is something which will be doing apyayana of Shukra. so that there won't be Shukrakshaya. Now, Ahara, Nidra, and Brahmacharya or Abrahmacharya, these are the pillars of life. And in order to have a continuous formation of the Shukra and avoid Shukrakshaya, Vajikarana is necessary. For Swastha person, this is again important. So, Vajikaranam Anvichet, Purusho Nityamatvam, this is what Charaka says, and Vajikaranam Anvichet, Satatam Vishais Puman. That is what Vagbhata says about these are two very different things. So Atmavan also Vajikaranam Anvichet and Vishay Puman also Vajikaranam Anvichet. Both the things they require Vajikarana or something like that. Now whether this will be increasing the desire for sex in Vishay, it is going to definitely increase or something. And whether this will be beneficial or with this will be troublesome, that is still a question. If the sex desire increases and if there is overindulgence in sex, then that may lead to Shukrakshaya later. So Atmavan still requiring uptime of Shukra would have Vajikarana Dravya. That is one of the important aspects. And secondly, Vajikaranam Agrancha Kshetra Priya Prahashini. This Shrestha Vajikaran is the lady itself or something like that. Now Charkacharya has written widely about this and Yam Vinachan Strika Maratir Manyate Jagat etc. etc. So Nityam Harshati Vegataha Apurvameva Yam Yati Nityam Harshati Vegataha. As if he is doing the intercourse for the first time. That kind of feeling he has, etc. So there are restrictions on sex, particularly according to season. Seveta Kamata Kamam Trupto Vaji Himi. In Hemant Rutu, one may have sexual pleasure as per his desire, who is Trupta with Vajikara Dravya. But Trihad Vasanta Sharadoho, in Vasanta and Sharad Rutu, it should be once in 3 days, and Pakshad Varsha Nidagayo. In Grishma and Varsha Rutu, it is once in 15 days. Now the marriages keep on occurring across the whole year. They can be in May, they can be in June, July, whatever it may be, or something like that. And then generally after marriage, there is sex every day, minimum once, maybe 2-3 times also. And still there are no signs of Shukrakshaya seen. On the contrary, there is weight gain. So I asked Solakar sir about a question about this, and then he said that he is constantly having Vajikarana through his wife only, and so that doesn't affect him for Shukrakshaya or something. Now, over a period, when they get children, the lady gets engaged in the children, etc. And then this desire for sex gets reduced. So it may be once in a week, once in a fortnight, once in a month, and it keeps on decreasing like that. But still, this is a requirement for health because this is a pillar, one of the important pillars of health and such. And Manasoharshani Yacha Tat Sarvam Harsham Uchyate, this is yet another important aspect. Whatever is pleasing mind, that is Vrishya. As against that, whatever is depressing mind, whatever is creating stress, etc., is Avrishya. And this negative impact of stress, etc., has to be considered in today's practices. So whenever we are finding people with stress and depression and other things, one of the things that is to be used is Vajikarana in that. Now the Mandala Jatavedasya, this yoga that has been said by Charaka in Vajikarana. Actually, this is Mashaparna Bhutadhenu. Tasya Prayashrutam, this is Mashaparna Bhutadhenu. But leave aside Mashaparna Bhutadhenu, at least go clear. So cow's milk to be made siddha with gold. Now milk is also Rasayana, Suvarna is also Rasayana, milk is also Vajikarana, Suvarna is also Vajikarana. So this particular yoga is acting for both Rasayana and Vajikarana. And so I started using this in all cancer patients along with Guruchi. Guruchi is particularly Rasayana, so and not depriving you of Shukra. So Guruchi Suvarna Siddha Kshira, and then later on I shifted to Kalpa made from this along with Sariva and Durva. But this has something to do deal with the depressions, etc. Now, how to deal hormonal imbalances through Ayurveda? This is a big question. We are getting so many cases of hormonal imbalances. And I heard one lecture given by H.V. Sardesai long back. He tried to classify the emotions into categories. One so-called good category, that the Harsha and Ananda, Preeti, etc. And one bad category, that is depression, stress. These other kinds. Gold boiled in milk has a textual reference. Yeah, it is Charak Samhita Vajikaranathya, second chapter. Mandala Jatavedasya, that is Jataveda is Surna. And it doesn't get released in the milk, it has Sauskara in the milk. You can use it for years together. So that's not an issue. So to counteract the hormonal imbalance and establish harmony. Your connection lost, restored. One may try to use Vajikarana Dravya. That I have been thinking for many years. Still unable to pinpoint which Vajikarana medicine to be used in what condition, etc. etc. There are so many from plant origin, from animal origin, from ore origin, etc., which are Vajikaran. And there are two extreme opinions about this. Venimada Shastri Joshi was of opinion that after 35, every person should be given Vajikaran. Libido is observed in many cases after 35. This might be temporary, this might be a permanent damage kind of thing. And particularly with diabetes, this is very well seen that there is impotency or libido after 35. So they should be receiving something Vajikarana like this. On the contrary, Vidyate Zadukar was of opinion that after menopause, there is no function of Shukra. So the ladies should switch over to Bharti Dhanya, which says that it is infertile, it becomes infertile. But even though there is no Apatya Nirmana, but still Shukra is there, and this Shukra, which is a dhatu for regeneration of other dhatus is common in male and female. The Shukra responsible for generating a child in male and the Artava for responsible for generating a child in female. These are distinct. Evam masena rasa shukri bhavati strinancha artavam. So after 1 month, the rasa becomes shukra in males and artava in females. So this is bija nirman. But apart from that, shukra has the function of regeneration of body tissues. And this is very well explained in Vranu by Sushruta and even Vagbhata. स्त्रीणाम तो स्मृति संस्पर्श दर्शने चलते सुते शुक्रे व्यवहारान दोषान असंसर्गिते वापने stanza. So if there is Shukrachuti by Ashtavidha Maithuna, then the person gets the doshas associated with Shukra Kshaya or Vyavaya. And then this hampers the process of wound healing. So at least in surgical ward, there should be male nurses for male patients, and female nurses for female patients, so that there is no distraction of mind particularly. But this is not being observed even in Ayurvedic hospitals. Anyway, the Ayurvedic surgery ward is fully allopathic only. It has nothing to do with Ayurveda as such. So there is a big scope for that. If there is no Saumanasya, will Vajikarana Yoga work? Modern medicine like suddenly pill do not work off. Suddenly pill do not work if there is no want or interest for sex at level of brain. Nowadays, loss of libido is seen more at mental level due to differences between couples. Vajikarana. Yes, this is true. So this will fall under the negative emotions. If there is no desire for sex, if there is anger, if there is no faith, etc., etc., then this will result in impotency. That is definitely true. So there are psychological aspects also associated with this. And conventional medicine was of opinion that it is just psychological phenomenon. Sex drive is just psychological. It has nothing to do with any dravya or material as such. But surprisingly, in Parkinsonism, when Syndopa came into use, they found that Syndopa has aphrodisiac activity. So it now can be believed that drugs also have this kind of activity. At psychological level, it creates Vajikaran. Now Kapikachu had Syndopa. Antarkar started working on Kapikachu and he developed a product HP200 for Jandu. And only thing is the dose of this Kapikachu to be used for these Parkinsonism patients is very high. It's 200 grams per day. They could somehow reduce the dose and put it into tablets, and that was in use. But the whole thought process is integrated or based on allopathy. That since this Kapikachu contains Syndopa and Syndopa is useful in Parkinsonism according to conventional medicine, we use Kapikachu for Parkinsonism. That was the thought process. And to get that much dose of Syndopa, 200 grams of Kapikachu has to be used. Now, whether this is going to have side effect of Vajikarana in that patient or not, that is again a question. And generally, Parkinsonism is seen in old age patients. And whether there is a Shukrakshaya associated, because this again a retrospective study, that if this is useful, then this might be a Shukrakshaya avastha, and that is why Kapikachu or Sindopa is useful in such a situation. But still, this is controversial. All patients of Parkinsonism may not respond to this kind of Kapikachu, or for that matter, if it is Vajikarana, then Ashwagandha and Vidari and many other drugs should also work. Truly speaking, Parkinsonism is a Vatavyadhi, and Mayodhatukshayath Kukumargasyavaranayanama, both the things are possible, and we should have diagnosis of each Parkinsonism patient and then treat it. It's very difficult. So I have been treating some cases of Parkinsonism. Unfortunately, if they come to us before starting Syndopa, they may be maintained, but still it takes quite long time. And on the contrary, if they start with Syndopa, there are immediate results. The tremors stop immediately. So people start with that, then the dose keeps on increasing. And I have seen patients with 6 syndopas a day. This is a very miserable condition. And there are two opposite characteristics seen. One is stabdatva. The person gets locked in a particular position. He can't speak anything. He can't move. He can't lift his leg. And otherwise, it's continuously tremors that are going on. And to the extent that they get sweating lot, there is a ayasa due to these tremors. And then they get fatigue due to that. So, how to deal with these patients is a big issue, Parkinsonism patients. And these will fall under YAPA category, like conventional medicine. But in conventional medicine, the dose keeps on increasing. And also, we have to see the Agni, etc. It's not only giving something Vajikarana. Panchakarma is not generally possible. These are old age patients. At minimum, we can go for Matra Basti, etc. Rasayana Dravyas are more anti-anxiety or tranquilizer effect, and Vajikaran one are more antidepressant action. Anxiety will also fall under these psychological conditions. It's very difficult to differentiate, but I think what is associated with emotions, any kind of emotion, may be associated with hormones, and Vajikarana might be the treatment for that. Now, to get satisfaction is a more important aspect in Vajikarana. And if satisfaction is not there, or there is no desire for sex, then this Vajikarana will be helping. Bhanga or cannabis seems to improve mental aspect like anxiety, fear, anger in males. Some yoga are available having Bhanga like Kameshwar Modaka. That is true. But this is like an addiction. So whatever creates mother and creates forgetfulness about all these factors, like this Madhya. Madhyam Somanasya Janasantana. So why Madhya creates Somanasya? It is only because it creates a mother, and you forget your sorrows, etc. etc. रक्तधातूचा देखील विचार कंपामध्ये करता येऊ शकेल, कारण रक्त प्रदूषणाचे विकार विधिशून्यते अध्यायात कंपाचा उल्लेख आहे. Yeah, whatever we are calling associated with nervous system, we try to connect it to either Vayu or Rakta. These are two important aspects. It's nothing to do with Majja. People try to link it with Majja, and it's not true. So either it has to be done on the basis of Vayu or on the basis of Rakta. And anyway, this Parkinsonism, like diseases, are very difficult to treat, and the success is very limited. Now we are thinking about these hormonal imbalances and the psychological aspects arising out of that, and how to deal with them on the basis of drugs. Conventional medicine is trying to give drugs as antidepressant, etc. And the flower remedy by this Bach is useful, found to be useful in certain cases. Any experiences of using Yashtimadu in Parkinsonism and cerebral atrophy like diseases? No, I have not used. If somebody has used or if you have used, you may explain. No, no, Yashtimadu is a very good drug and having many actions, so might be useful. It is Chukrala as well. But to understand this properly, okay, we have to see three aspects about any drug. One is Adhibhautika, so Panchabhautik characteristics. So what is the Rasa, Virya, Vipak, Prabhav, and action on dosha, diseases, etc. etc. Now this is physical level. The next is Adhyatma Dravya Guna Sangraha. What is the action on mind or ankara or buddhi, medha, etc. Smriti. So this is something beyond the physical activities, and we have number of dravyas which increase buddhi, which increase medha, which increase smriti, etc. etc. And conventional medicine won't be able to understand this, won't be able to explain this, how this is acting on such kinds of things. Or even we have this pratibha, that it acts on pratibha, what we were saying in this Kameshwara, Madana Kameshwara. So this is at this Adhyatma Dravya Sangraha. And beyond that, there is still another category which is Shiva, Mangala, etc. So this has something to do with Adhidaivika. And this is still very difficult to explain how this particular combination or this particular drug is acting at that level. And it might have a capacity to change the destiny. Daiva, Daivam Purushakarana Durbalam hi upanyate. Daivena Chetarat Karma. So Durbala Daiva can be hampered by Paurusha. And Bali Purusha Karohi Daivamapi Ativartate. That is also another stand. So it might be possible to conquer those things. I had told one experience that a patient came to me with thoughts of suicide, 18-year uh, education. And I was puzzled what to do with this patient. And then I thought that this is a Mangala thought and something Mangala to be given. And then Gorochana to Mangalya, I remember this time that, and gave him Gorochan Mishran. So, fortunately enough, within 1 week, his desire for suicide got subsided and it went well. Patient having hormonal imbalance due to stress will be given Rasayana medicine. Not only Rasayana and Vajikaran both. So Suvarna Kshira is both Rasayana and Vajikaran. But there has to be counseling as well along with this. So only this medicine is not going to work. The person should be in a mood to receive guidance from you, and then this will be working. Recently in Sadashivapet clinic, there was one lady patient suffering from hypertension and some other ailments. And in the middle age, around 40, 45. And there is a vacuum, particularly in this age. The children are grown, now they have their own sphere. And a housewife just engaged in performing her duty for her children. Now doesn't have control over the children and doesn't have the pleasure of their company, etc. And the person male is engaged in outside work, and this lady doesn't find anything to share with or something like that. And then if there is mother-in-law and there are conflicts with mother-in-law, etc., these are very common problems. So I said to her, you need to find out where is your happiness, with what you will feel happy, and then emphasize on that. Instead of trying to reduce the grief or sorrow or something like that, you try to get engaged in what you feel happy or something like that. But generally, this advice is also not acceptable. They will keep on saying, well, the mother-in-law is saying like that, this husband is saying like that, etc., etc. And how can I think about this, etc. So unless and until you try to find out with what you would be happy, you won't become happy. There should be a desire for happiness. And if you have that desire, then you start searching with what would I be happy. It might be some hobby, it might be job, it might be writing book, whatever it may be, or reading books, etc. Whatever it may be. But if you feel that you are happy with that and you get engaged into that, then the emotions change from the anxiety, depression, etc. to positive things. एका तरुण रुग्णाला धडधड भय असावा इट्सेट्रा तक्रारी अवसाद होत्या. मानसोपचार तज्ञांनी अनेक महिने चिकित्सा चालू होती. उपशय फारसा नव्हता. महाकल्याणक घृत रसपाचक शतावरी एक्सेट्रानीही मर्यादित उपशय मिळत होता. मकर ध्वज गुटी चालू केल्याबरोबर ड्रॅमॅटिक उपशय मिळाला. नंतर अन्यही काही मनोअवसाद रुग्णांमध्ये वाजीकर चिकित्सेने चांगला उपयोग दिसून आला. That is true. So what I feel, Vajikarana, if you talk, it is a psychological effect. But there are dravyas which can work on mind particularly, buddhi, medha, smriti, etc. And even Vajikarana, if it is a kind of effect of the drug, then Vajikarana dravyas can be used. Kampavata Riras in Parkinson. No, I have not used it. Is it available? and what are the ingredients of that. Marsh is also said as useful in comfort, and Mahamashate has the Falashruti. The फलान्यात्मवत विद्यात माशांडोलात नाही काय आणि का माशवत विद्यात काकांडोलात्मक. So Kakandola and Atmagupta, they are like Masha, and Masha is also Shukraka. That is true. So let us see if it is available, then we may use it. Recently I don't have any Parkinsonism patients with me, but I have been treating Parkinsonism and with very limited success. So this is again a big challenge to treat Parkinsonism effectively. So what I feel, we need to think of the psychological aspects of Vajikarana Dravyas and to bring patient out of depression. And this may not be Futki, Rasisindur and Tamarabas with 21 Bhavana Futki. Strange. We may have to think about this combination. How does it work for Parkinsonism? Rasasindura can be a catalytic action and catalytic action. This is quite apatarpana. I think Yoga Ratnakar reference. Fine. So let us see this and whether it is available in the market or not. For depression in COVID-19, what can be used? Counseling. So better to talk to people and do counseling. Only thing, he should be ready for counseling. That is a major issue. They are there in own sphere. नानान सरांनी सन्मित्र सिद्धौषधी नावाचा लेख लिहिला होता जीवक या पत्रिकेत. ज्या लोकांना भावनांचे विरेचन न झाल्यामुळे मानसिक ताण येतो त्यांच्यासाठी औषध उपयोगी. व्यतितस्य अर्थहीनस्य देशांतर्गतस्य च नरस्य शोकदग्धस्य सुहृद्दर्शनम औषधम. सुहृद्दर्शनम. So स्वजनस्य दुःखम अग्रतो. Sanmitra. So this is actually finding a friend. Sanmitra and good friend. And then you can be open with it, with him, her, whatever it may be, or something like that. And Virechana, Bhavanansa Virechana. This is again. But where is this stanza? We may have to think about this. What is the reference? व्याधितस्य अर्थहीनस्य देशांतर्गतस्य च नरस्य शोकदग्धस्य सुहृद्दर्शनम औषधम. Good stanza. So there is a mention that one should be having Suruda and Itara Duragaha. Other people who might be deceiving should be kept apart. That is the thing. Aptopasevi. I had heard that Tamra Siddha Jala Prashana for prolonged period leads to dopamine receptors blocking, leading to Parkinson's. Tamra Siddha Jala is a different thing if you boil it with Tamra. If you keep Tamra, then it has bacteriostatic activity that has been proved. So insomnia due to stress. These are very common issues. So mechanical things like Shirodhara, if they work, that is fine. and medicines like Saraswatarishta and Betamausi, etc. etc. Nidra Santosha Truptasya Swankalam Nati Vartate. If we have, yeah, Surut Darshanam might be from Sahitya. Now the big dictionary project Deccan College has undertaken. I don't know how far they have reached, but they may have references all these kinds of sandarbha, and one may try to find out from where this is. Of course, this can be easily created. Even I can write stanza like this and create a new shloka. Like this. But Tanmitram Mitram Uchita, I think there in Diti Shataka, there might be shlokas on Sanmitra. रेफरन्स मला माहिती नाही. लेखामध्ये श्लोक आला होता, परंतु ऐरावती भक्त्या कल्याण मित्राणी या सेवेते तर दुर्गा. That is what I say. I was not remembering Bhakta Kalyana Mitrani, but those who are doing Kalyana, those only friends to be associated with Itara Durga. So all others to be avoided. That is the thing. Anyway, we conclude today and continue on Monday with Charaka. In Tamra utensil, water filled overnight and drink in morning. Is it good? Yeah, it is good. So we also do it, and we boil it with gold later. So in the morning we boil water with gold and drink that throughout the day. But that water is kept in this Tamra utensil. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनं वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्. विरम्यते व्याख्याने व्यापार परश्वः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः.